Afternoon, students. Yes, today our topic is intramural and extramural. Meaning of intramurals. The intramural sports are recreational sports organized within same geographic area. Intramurals are fun, recreation, social and competitive on campus activities. The term intramural is derived from the Latin word which means within intramuros walls. The term the team compete within walls of the institution. For example, interclass activities, college, intercolleges activities, etc. Generally, intramurals are organized in college campus to promote competition and fun among the students of the institution. Next, objectives of intramural. Why we conduct intramural activities? The first one is to promote mass participation. Yes, in intramural, maximum students are opportunity to take part, to provide opportunity to all the students to display their skills in spite of their weak ability. All students cannot excel in sports, so the students who are weak in sports are also given a chance to improve. Number 2, to develop socialization. With the participation to the intramural, the students develop lots of social qualities like sincerity, honesty, discipline, cooperation, etc. Next, to provide recreation. Yes, intramural activities are also provide recreation of the students. Intramural provide recreation to the students. Most of the activities are full of fun. This provides an opportunity for the relaxation from strenuous school work. It means that intramural activities are help us to reduce all the types of stress, tension and anxiety in our mind. Number D, to help in talent finding. There are many students who are talented but are not able to exhibit their talent. So intramurals provide opportunity for these to show their talent. Next, to develop sportsman spirit. Yes, intramural always develop sportsman spirit among the students, teaching students the value of good sportsmanship goes a long way in shaping their character. The students are inspired to play hard work and play fair and to adhere to the principle of the game in all. And the next objective, that is to provide opportunity to learn new skills. The intramural give an opportunity to the student to many new skills. Since intramural include variety of activities, so it becomes more interesting to learn. Next, significance of intramural activities. The first is the overall personality of the student is developed with the help of intramural competition. Number 2, the social virtues are developed through the participation in the intramural competition. The intramural develop the physical fitness of the individual. The organization of intramural activities helps the student to learn about the conduct of various games and sports. Next, the intramural tournaments create recreational atmosphere among the teachers and students, and it helps in relieving stress among the students. It means that that's are reduce all the types of stress, tension, anxiety in each and every students. These activities develop the leadership qualities in students. Next, Intramural activity bring out the hidden talent of the individual. Yes, next topic is meaning of extramural. The extramural tournaments are carried outside the boundary of an institution or community. After the intramural tournament, the team participates outside the boundary wall of the institution. The extramural can be characterized into three following ways. The first one is friendly matches, second one is restriction competition, third one is open competition. The main aim of extramural is to develop the feeling of brotherhood and unite at large level. Next, objectives of extramural competition. Yes, the first is to improve sports standard. Yes, extramural activities are helpers to rise up their sports standard. Number 2, to develop confidence. Yes, through the extramural competition, we are develop confidence among the students. By playing with other institutions, the level of confidence increases. Even competitions, fear is also reduced. Next, feeling of brotherhood. Yes, the objective of extramural competition is to develop unite among diversity. They also develop feeling of brotherhood and togetherness among the players. Next, better exposure. Yes, intramural are help us to expose the qualities of the individual. The exposure of extramural competition helps the player to play in different situations. Next, to know more techniques. This objective states that to help players to play outside the institution will help them to know more about advanced and different techniques of the games. Next, significance of extramural activities. They provide opportunity to institution to play at different location. Number 2, the practice matches help in correcting the faults, and this leads to develop techniques and tactical qualities of the players. Next, the spectators have great influence on the performance of the players. Yes, that is intramural and extramural activities. I think all students are easily understand that activities. First of all, you have to read and then prepare the topic.